Finally, after 3 weeks, haircut. Thank you, Al. Thank you, Al. Well, I kind of feel almost human again. This is great. So that was Al, my barber. I sent him a message last week and he said, oh, I can do home service. I'll come to your house. What great service. It's amazing how good a shave and a haircut will do. It's been 3 weeks since the typhoon. I probably had a haircut a week before that, so almost basically a month without having a shave. But today, I thought the idea was just to follow me around. I'm just gonna do a bunch of random different things. This will be a day in the life. Hopefully enjoy it. Okay, so first meal of the day, it's about 11:30. I've been up since about 7. I don't usually eat breakfast, but I do have breakfast for lunch. Today is oatmeal with protein powder, a little bit of apple and banana. I like to keep it pretty simple, even before the typhoon, and now we don't have a full running kitchen and I don't have a refrigerator, but this is a perfect way to start the morning. While I was getting my haircut, I actually got a message from my mom that said that they were getting their Pfizer booster at the local gym here in Taguis. So as soon as I'm done this, I'm gonna head there, see if I can get a booster. I'm just gonna show up and see what happens. So I'll meet you there. Today or tomorrow? Ah, today. Come back at 1. Ah, okay. Okay, thank you. All right, so they're on lunch break. I should go back in about an hour and a half. What to do? I wanted to either go to the gym or do a little bit of work. All right, well, let's drive into town, make a decision. Alright, it's gonna be a day of first haircut since the typhoon, first time to the gym. Gonna do a quick workout. I realized I should work out before I go get a booster shot if I can, because you're not really supposed to do any hard labor. I think it affects it, so at least that's what happened last time. I got a big fever, so let's work out first, take a shot after. Cool down after the little workout. It was great. One workout per body part. Didn't want to go too hard, don't want to get too sore since I haven't been here in a while. But if you are in Tagbilaran, Rip City Gym, it's open. They have a generator, they have some music, they have some air conditioning. It's cold water. Maybe plug in your device, I'm not sure about that. But yeah, why don't we head back to the Taguis gymnasium, see if I can get that booster shot. Okay, good to go. Got all the paperwork done. I'm just gonna wait in line, see how long that takes. This is the Taguis gymnasium. There used to be a wall right here. There's no more wall. All right, let's wait in line, see you on the other side. So after all that, I didn't get the vaccine booster. Turns out for Moderna, the vials are good for 15 people, and there was only 8 or 9 of us. So they're gonna call me in the morning when all 15 people are there, we can get the vaccine all together. No problem. While I was there, a friend of mine said, hey, can you come help do some repacking? So I'm on my way to do that. We're off to Phang Lao. Just made a quick pit stop at home. Needed to get the generator started for my parents. Just gonna charge a few things. And that's it. See you in Phang Lao. That's a wrap. 300 bags of rice. Good morning. So I ended the vlog last night and it got really dark, so I couldn't really do much filming. But we packed 300 care packages with rice, mungo beans, sardines. There's also a bunch of things like aqua tabs and towels and blankets and that sort of stuff. So in the next day or so, we're actually going to be going to deliver that in Inabanga. I'll have that in a separate episode. That's going to be really cool. We'll go out and deliver those 300 packages. This morning though, I got a call from this morning I got a call from the barangay, so I'm off to get that second dose, the booster, not second dose, a booster of the vaccine. I guess there's enough people there now, so I'm gonna go do that. I need to get some gasoline to fill up for the generator. A bunch of errands to do this morning, and then after that we'll probably go to the coffee shop. I need to do some work. So a day in the life turned into 2 days in the life. I'm gonna concentrate on driving now, so I'll see you when we get to the Dawi's gym. Bye. And we're done. Got the booster. We're all set. I can keep my parents safe now. Basically why I wanted to get it. All right, now we're gonna go back home. I need to stop off, get some gasoline for the generator. Then I'm gonna get ready. We'll head into town, drop off some laundry, go to a coffee shop. Exciting day. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, generator's got gas. Check this out, one of the neighbors. Some people were asking about security and the neighbors. The neighbors are pretty awesome. Look what they brought us. Fresh Buko. Coffee break. Guess who showed up? Hey.
What's up, guys? Having a coffee there.
Good view, good friends, good coffee. Life's pretty good.
You cannot complain, man.
All right, I think that's gonna end it for today. It was really good to meet up with Paolo. Chido Cafe is open again, so if you're here in Bohol, it's one of my favorite spots for coffee and food. Really good stuff. Glad they're open again. It's been a month. Yeah, that's been a couple days in the life of Alan here in Bohol. Maybe it's not too adventurous, but tomorrow we are going to be heading to Inabanga. We're going to be dropping off all those care packages. There's 300 families that are going to be able to have a little bit of food, which is great. Other than that, I guess we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.